Hello everyone, this is Jiyeon Kim, and today I am going to introduce to you guys how to use Google Docs on the internet and also share some of the ideas for using it in the English classes. One way would be using it for collaborative brainstorming, and one way would be collaborative writing and also group presentation preparation. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Google page, and if you have logged in to your Gmail or Google account, you see these four different icons at the top right corner. And if you go to Google Apps, you see all these different icons underneath, and you have to find Drive, Google Drive right here, and click it. And if you are taken into this Google Drive page, you want to find New and click it. And there you have many other choices, but what we are focusing on today is Google Docs. So click Google Docs, and that'll create a whole new untitled document of Google Doc. And before anything else, you might want to give it a title so that you can find the document rather easily later. I would say this is a Google Doc for brainstorming for my class, and discussion topic would be how to have fun at home while you do social distancing due to coronavirus. So coronavirus is causing everyone in the world almost to stay at home, social distance themselves, and it could be a fun topic to discuss about. So this would be a discussion topic, and the students can add up their ideas underneath like this. Try working out at home watching YouTube videos for workout, home training, or try reading books, and many more lists can follow. But then what you want to do is sharing this Google document with your students and for them to join in this discussion, right? So you want to go to share, and you have to select anyone with the link can edit. There are other choices such as anyone with the link can comment, can view, but you want them to actually write something down onto this document, so you want to click this one, can edit, and copy this link. And if you have this link already copied to your clipboard, you can now go to your email, like Gmail or Naver email, whatever email account that you have, and send this link out to your students. Or you can also go to KakaoTalk and just share it in your group. Whatever way that's easy for you, you may share this link. And let's say that I'm signing out. Let's say that I'm one of the students who got the link through email and is using the link to get into this document. So I'm not logged in to Gmail or Google account, but I'm still able to get into this page of collaborative brainstorming on coronavirus, and I am just going to type out the idea. Try to idea, blah blah blah, and it gets automatically saved into this document. And if I go back to log in and look at this document, I can check the same result because it was already automatically saved. So You may ask your students to write their name after these ideas so that you can know who has written what. I'm just making up a name. Right. And if you have like 10 students, you can actually number these opinions to make it easier for you to spot who has already written and who hasn't. Or you can actually also insert some, let's say, a chart or a table. Actually, table would be better for 10 student. Adjust the column, and this is where they have to write their name, and this is for their ideas. So Dreamy suggests reading books. Have fun reading books at home. And Chris has suggested doing workout at home through YouTube. And blah blah blah. And the list can be added up and all the students can join and teacher can see all the process and all the result exactly the same way the students see. And this is how this Google document can be used for collaborative brainstorming. And for the other ways to use Google Doc, which was to do collaborative writing and presentation preparation, I thought I would just show you guys one example from last semester. I took lesson design last year, and in lesson design class, you all know that we have to do a round table once, and this was my round table on reading, and me and my two of my teammates decided that we would work on preparing for presentation on Google Doc. We thought it's most effective and efficient if we do that on Google Doc because we can all check the most updated version of our writing. And on here, we wrote down our research ideas in our script and our activities and examples that we're going to share so we could all check each other's work in progress. And also in terms of reviewing each other's work and editing, it was really useful because I could see that who's working on what and who needs what kind of information more. And yeah, we could just help each other's uh, work to be more developed. And at the end, we also edit our names before every paragraph so that we could clearly see who's talking which part and in what order. So it's pretty easy for us to wrap up everything that we have prepared at the end and use it for actual presentation as a script. So I suggest you also do that for yourself and also suggest that to your students to do the same so that they can have an effective collaboration on writing and preparing for presentation. And so those were my ideas for using Google Doc for your English classes. So I hope this information was useful and helpful to you all. And if there's any other questions about how to use Google Doc or if there's any more ideas about how to use Google Doc, please let me know through Kakao Talk or emails. And thank you for watching till the end.